Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this blue eyeshadow look with basically one eyeliner and a little bit of highlighter that I used on my face and a brush and mascara. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and continue watching. So a lot of my friends are like, why are you getting dressed? Most people are in pajamas during this time. Why are you putting makeup on? For me, it makes me feel good and it makes me feel better. And I am a parent, so I do go on walks for my kids' physical education. We go for like half-hour walks every day. So I like to put a face on, get dressed, so that I can enjoy the day with my kid, and it makes me feel good. You don't have to do this, but I find try learning something new. You know, if it works out, then you know and you're confident that when we do get to see people and we do get to go out again, that you know how to do this look, you know, or look something similar to it. So I hope this is helpful to you. No, I can't really say that, there are a lot of rules now, but this is just something that makes me feel good. And I'm sure there's other people out there like me, so if you want to learn how to do this, this is what this is for, and have a good time. Okay, so I already did this eye because I'm just going to show you how on one eye, you don't need to see both. So I'm just using one eye pencil. This is High Def Cyan by MAC. I'm going to use the same highlighter that I used on my face, mascara. So in order to get this eye, this is how you start. So take the High Def Cyan, and you're going to put that right on the inner rim, like so. And then rub a bunch of it underneath your eye. Oh, I am using a brush, I'll show you that too. And then you're going to take the pencil and color in the lid. Doesn't have to be, you can make this quite messy, but you want to bring it into the crease. So when you open your eye, you should be able to see it. And really pack that on, and I elongate a little bit on the outer corner to bring that out. This is such a beautiful pencil. Again, everything that I use basically I've had for a very long time, but if it is still available, I'll link it down below because it really is a nice pencil. It goes on very quickly and it has a lot of pigment. So then I'm taking a 252 brush. You want a firm brush for this because you want to be able to move it around. If you use a fluffy brush, it's not gonna deposit the color where you want it to quick enough, for me anyway. So I'm basically just going over any hard line and I'm bringing it up and kind of blending it into just my skin. Do the same thing underneath. I like to make it pretty large under there. Large? No. Make a pretty thick line under my eyes. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the blue. You can always go back in and add a little bit more if you want it to be a little bit more intense. So then I'm taking this. This is from Wet n Wild. It's called Precious Petals. Lovely drugstore highlighter. I'm just using my fingertip and applying that right to the center of the lid. So this is a quick, easy blue eye. It's not too intensive. I didn't use a base except for the pencil itself, but I find like if you want a little bit of color but you don't want to go completely overboard and you don't want to be there forever with all these different colors, it's just a cool look to add a little bit of color. And summer is coming, and we're definitely going to be able to enjoy it. I just know we will. So when I was first starting out in makeup, I knew nothing. So I had to teach myself, and the time that I would play with makeup would be at the end of the day, right before I was about to wash it all off, because who cares? If you messed up, you're just going to wash it off and go to bed anyway. So I feel like now is a good time because you have the time, so play around. And for me, putting a little bit of makeup on, getting dressed, makes me feel a lot better. And when I'm in the kitchen making some coffee, you know, and I see myself in the mirror, then it's like, hey. You can also be like, okay, I don't want to do that ever again. Or, I'm totally going to try that, and now I know how to do it. So, now's a good time to practice and learn. This is the Chanel Le Volume Mascara. And if you're at the grocery store and you're wearing a mask, what are people going to see? The eyes. So I'm doing that top and bottom. Mascara takes the longest to do. And there you go. A quick, basically just one product, blue eye. And it's just a fun way to use color. Everything else I did my foundation and blush and lips beforehand because I have other videos that I've done that with. Or showed how I do it. So you can check those out, or I'll link those. I will link this blue eyeliner down below. And then you can also build from here. If you're going to be wearing this look for a long time, I used to work for MAC, so we used to have to put down like a base that was going to last for a really long time so that when you did put your eyeshadows on, you didn't have to keep on touching them up. But most people don't have to deal with that. So just going in with one product, one color liner that's multi-purpose, pretty easy, and it's a cool look. And I just paired it up. This is from Everlane, great sustainable brand. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. That means a lot to me, and it helps to support my channel. If you have any ideas about what you would like to see while we're all in this together and learning different things, let's do it. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this, if you've tried other colors, and I hope this was helpful to you in any way. And I will thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.